Hello everyone, welcome back. It is so good to see you. For those of you who are new here, my name is Jean and this is Urban Girl Creations. On this channel I do thrift hauls and thrift flips and makeovers, furniture makeovers. I do styling and I have done a couple home tours as I change things out. I do have things planned for the future, so I want to travel outside of the cities to like Duluth, Minnesota, and up north and different places like that where there are historical sites and so forth, and just take you along with me and do some filming. And I also have a Saturday video that I do every Saturday, well starting this Saturday actually, and it's called Saturday Meditations, and that is where I share scripture and a commentary on that. I have been a believer for over 30 years, like 37 years, something like that. And in that time, I have written many journals. And God just put it on my heart to start sharing some of that with you in hopes to inspire you in any way that you could be inspired. So if that's something you're interested in, you can check that out on Saturdays. I don't really have a time because I do have some health problems that prevent me from doing things as I want to do them, such as today. I'm filming this late because I just didn't feel good this morning again. But today's video, I was on, well, I'm always on YouTube, always looking and searching for content and for inspiration for myself and for things that I can benefit from. And I came across a channel that is put out by these Japanese people. I don't know the name of it. I will link all their information below. But I'm losing hair on the top of my head, the crown. I'm losing hair and it's really bothering me. And they have a formula. It's called a Japanese formula to grow hair. Don't know if it's gonna work, but I am going to try it. So today's video is about that. There is just a formula, a spray for the hair, and there's another one that you can put in your shampoo to use when you wash your hair. And then there's also one for skincare. I have wrinkles. I'm 65 years old. I have wrinkles. But you know what? I don't care about the wrinkles. What I care about is the age spots on my arms. Part of it is hereditary. Every woman in my family has had them or does have them. But I don't like them. I have them on my face too, but that doesn't bother me. It's the ones on my arms. They make me look older than I am, and I don't like it. And also, I ran a cleaning business from 1986 to 2018 when I turned it over to my daughter. And for 20 of those years, at least 20 of those years, I used harsh chemicals like bleach and 409 and Comet and whatever else, and I never wore gloves. And I damaged my hands and my fingernails. So my hands look 20 years older than they are because they're so wrinkled. Now I know that as you age, your skin's gonna thin out and you're gonna see the veins and stuff like that, but I'm telling you, I'm not at that age right now. My hands look horrible. So I am wanting to try something that can help. So I'll use it on my face and my décolleté, but I really want to use it on my hands and my arms and see if it can help. So that is what I'm going to do today. I have all the ingredients laid out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the ingredients for each one and read what they are and what the benefits of each ingredient is for the purpose. And then I'm going to demonstrate the first one. I'm not going to do them all, but I'm going to demonstrate the first one because I'll give you instructions on how to do each one, and you can also go to that site and watch them. to learn. So with that being said, I'm going to take you down from that light, or from the stand, and I'm going to show you and read to you from my notes. And I want to apologize ahead of time because of the lighting, because it is cold and rainy outside and gloomy, so there's not a lot of natural light, especially in my kitchen. My kitchen is very dark to start with, and there's only 2 windows, so I apologize ahead of time. So, okay, the first one is for the hair care. It's a natural Japanese remedy for hair care, and the ingredients for this is 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, and 1 tablespoon of rice. And I use brown rice because that's all I have in my house. So what you do with this is you pour, and I will demonstrate this, you pour the water in a saucepan, and then you add your cloves and you add your rice, and you boil it for 10 minutes. And after it's boiled, you cool it down, and then you put it in a sprayer bottle. I got my sprayer bottles, which I forgot to bring in here, but I will show it to you. I got my sprayer bottle from the Dollar Tree. So, the benefits of the cloves is that it helps your hair grow, it prevents hair from falling out, and it strengthens the roots. And the benefits of the rice is it improves damaged hair and treats hair loss. Okay, so that's what that does. I tried it once, but I only did it once because I'm too lazy to make it again, but I'm desperate now, so I'm going to try and keep it up. I would think that you could double every one of these recipes. So I'm going to set this aside. And pull the next ones over. Oops. Don't spill anything. Okay. This one is a shampoo additive. And for this one, you have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. This is just instant coffee. 1 tablespoon of ground cloves, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now, the method is you put all the ingredients in a bowl and you mix it well. Then you pour the ingredients into a saucepan and boil for 15 minutes, stirring. It's the same thing with the other one. You have to stir it every now and then. Then you filter the mixture through a strainer into a bowl or glass measuring cup. Then you add the vinegar to the mixture. Okay, so the vinegar is added last. You add the vinegar to the mixture and mix well. You take the shampoo of your choice and pour it into the bowl, approximately a 1/4 cup or so, and then you add 4 tablespoons of the mixture to the shampoo and mix well. You pour the mixture back into the shampoo bottle and shake to combine, and then you apply it to the hair as usual when washing 2 to 3 times a week. The same thing with the other one. It's 2 to 3 times a week that you use that. And the benefits of this is, of course, the cinnamon stimulates the blood circulation in the hair, which helps promote hair growth. I gotta turn the page here. The coffee gives hair strength and vitality, and it makes it soft and silky. The rosemary strengthens hair fossils and helps prevent hair loss. And the cloves, right there, the cloves stimulates blood circulation in the scalp. And then the apple cider vinegar stimulates hair growth and helps prevent hair loss. So that is the Shampoo Additive. Yep, the Shampoo Additive. This one I have not tried, but I'm going to try it. So we'll move that one out of the way. And bring the next one over. All right, now this one is an anti-aging oil. Now I don't believe in anti-aging anything, but if anything can help, make things look better, like my hands and my arms, then I'm all for it. So I'm going to give it a try. So this one is 1/2 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of dried orange peel, crushed, and then water to do a water bath. Okay, and the way you do this is you mix all ingredients together. You put it in a hot water, so you mix it all together in a bowl. You put it in a hot water, put it in hot water half the way up, and you let it sit, stirring occasionally for 10 minutes, just to heat the oil. Then you place a cheesecloth or medical gauze or a piece of cloth over a jar and pour the mixture in. So what you're doing is you're straining it. Okay, then you place it in a dark place for up to 3 days. After 3 days, apply it to the skin. It can be applied to the face, including under the eyes, neck, or hands. Gently massage in a circular motion for 5 minutes. Leave on skin for 30 minutes. You can also apply it and leave it overnight. Then you rinse it with lukewarm water and you repeat 3 times a week. And the benefits, what it does is it tightens the skin, it reduces age spots, removes wrinkles around eyes and neck. Removes wrinkles on the face and around the eyes and neck. The olive oil improves skin health and nourishes the skin. Now we already know that. Coconut oil does the same thing. But coconut oil, unless you use oil, it solidifies. So olive oil is a good product to use for that. I've also heard to smooth your skin, to have a healthy heart and smoother skin and that kind of thing, you drink a tablespoon of olive oil a day. I've tried that. I don't like it. Okay, the flaxseed, it moisturizes the skin. It removes dead skin cells. It contains many antioxidants that fights signs of aging. And the orange peel, it delays the appearance and signs of aging. And this recipe is usable for several months, so you can store it and use it for several months. Now, to grind this, you can do this in your food processor or whatever. I tried it and it didn't work, so I got out my mortar and pestle. I think that's I think that's what it's called. But anyway, and I just poured my dried orange peels in there and I crushed them up, and it worked perfectly. So those are the 3 formulas, and I'm going to show you how to do the first one. It's as simple as pie. So be right back. Okay, you take a small saucepan and you pour in the water. And then you pour in the rice or cloves, whichever you want to do first. And then you pour in the other ingredient. Mix it up. Then you turn on the heat. to about medium. And when it begins boiling, then you turn on your timer for 10 minutes. And I stir about every, 3-4 minutes. So once it gets going, I will come back. Timer is set for 10 minutes. So I will come back every 3 or 4 minutes and stir this. This is the bottle that I'm going to put it in. As you can see, there's a tiny bit left in there from before. So I got this at the Dollar Tree, and this is what I'm going to put it in. I will show you once it's full, or once I'm completed. And this is my shampoo. This is a shampoo I use. This is one I've saved. There's a little bit left in the bottom. So when I make my my hair shampoo, my shampoo additive, then I'm going to pour it in here and fill it with shampoo about so far, mix it up, and that's what I'm going to use. So I'll be back. Okay, this is what it looks like after it's been strained and poured into the bottle. One of the benefits I did not tell you about this is that it leaves your hair smelling nice. The cloves in there just leave a freshness to your hair. So you spray this in your hair and you just leave it there. Wherever you need treatment on your hair, you just spray it onto the scalp area and you just leave it. So I'm going to fix up all the rest of them, and I'm going to try everything out for about a month, see if it does any good, and I will come back and report to you. In the meantime, like I said, I will link all of their information below, and so you can just go to their channel and check it out if you're interested, and learn a little bit more. They have other remedies for other things as well. These are the ones I picked out because these are the ones that I need help with. So that's it for today. As always, remember, you are loved with an everlasting love, and underneath you are the everlasting arms of God. Be blessed, my friends.